I would like to once again thank all of the investors for being here and all of the participants as well. It's truly an honor to have such established individuals inside of a judging panel for this event. Now we're going to be moving to the main segment of the event, which is going to be where the 12 teams that have tirelessly worked for the last 3 months will be pitching their startups. All of the startups that are going to be pitching are pre-seed, meaning that they are in very early stages of development and they haven't had an investment so far, but maybe we can change that tonight. So the way that it's going to work, each team is going to have 5 minutes to pitch or to present their startup. After that, we're going to hold a short Q&A sessions that's going to last for 5 minutes as well, where investors and judges can ask questions. I would kindly ask both the investors and judges to just raise a virtual hand if you have a question for a team, and we're going to be moderating the Q&A just so everything goes well. So while the startups are presenting, the judges will be filling out a voting sheet where they will be grading each pitch for each startup from 1 to 5, as well as marking if they would be interested to potentially invest in the startup or to connect with them again, further their conversation, and maybe build a partnership. The investors are not obligated to invest. This is left to the personal discretion of the investors as well as the startups. But you will have a 30-minute networking session after the pitches are over to continue your conversations and maybe get some contacts to arrange a meeting later down the line. Today we have 12 amazing pre-seed startups presenting. You can see all of their cool logos up on the slide. And we're going to be starting first with Adura. So each team, once they've been called out, they can start sharing their screen. And once you're ready, we will start the timer and you will be able to present.